All right, an online game increases in number of users at a rate of 500 users each day. So again, there's a straightforward rate there. It even says the word rate, and it says each day. So we know our rate is times 500, which means that my equation is y equals 500x. And so I can make my XY table. We always make an XY table to check for a graph. So 0, 1, 2, 3. And so if I plug in 0, if there are no days, then there would be no users. So 0, 0. And then I have 1 day is 500 users. 2 days is 1,000. And 3 days is 1,500. So again, all I'm going to do is go check those points. You can see they all start at 0, 0. So that first point doesn't help me any. So I go on to the next one. So I'm going to walk 1 and go up 500. And I know that I'm walking 1 because 1 is the number of days and time is always on the x-axis. And then y is my users. And again, it tells me users and x days here. So y users, x days. So I know I'm doing 1 day. So if I walk, 1 day, that's 500. That's not 1. So this is actually backwards. My numbers are reversed. My 1, 2, 3, 4 should be here, and my 500, 1,000 should be here. They've reversed it. So that one can't work. So let's try the next one. I'm going to walk 1, and I should have 500. And again, when I walk 1, am I at 500? No. So C's out. Let's see if I walk 1. Well, there's no 1 on my graph for this one. So I'm going to skip that point and I'm going to go to the second point. So I have 2, 1,000. So I'm going to walk 2 and climb 1,000 and see if that works. So when I walk 2 here and climb 1,000, that one works. And when I walk 3, well, 3 would be in the middle of 2 and 4, and then the 1,500. So this one's looking pretty good. Over here, I still don't have a 1, 2, or 3. I have a 10. And so I can continue my XY table to 10, but because I already have 2 matching points here, I'm pretty confident that my answer is D. And again, I can continue my XY table if I wanted to. I could say, okay, my X's and Y's would continue. So I'd have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all the way to get to that X of 10, and just keep counting by 500. So I'd have 2,000, 2,500, 3,000, 3,500, 4,000, 4,500, and then 5,000. So I would need to be at 10 and then 5,000, but this is at 500. And so I just proved that one wrong by continuing my table down here all the way to 5,000. So the best answer has to be D. Again, A was wrong because the numbers were reversed. Remember, we walk the first number and then we rise the second number. And so these numbers were flip-flopped. And then here I walked 1, but when I rised, I did not get to 500 like I needed to be. The point should be there. And so that one marked that one out. And then again, how did we mark out B? We counted all the way to 10 because when I walked 10, I needed to be at 5,000, not 500. So the only one that matches is D.